Herkese iyi günler. Kanalımın değerli ve sevgili izleyicileri. GökhanAlkan ve Yağmur Tanrısevsin'den yepyeni paylaşımları sizler için sunuyorum. Sevgili çiftlerden olan Gökhan ve Yağmur'un özel ve güzel aşk fotoğraflarını, muhteşem fotoğraflarını sizler için bir araya toplayan video haline getirdim. İki güzel oyuncunun hem de çiftlerden sayılan Gökhan ve Yağmur'un muhteşem fotoğraflarını kanalımda sık sık izlemek istiyorsanız ekranlara yakınız. Sizler için yepyeni paylaşımlarla geleceğim. Değerli videolarımda görüşmek umuduyla hoşçakalın.
Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.